My aunt uses this aspirin mask. She is 55 years old and looks like 35. Try it. Results from the first use. Aspirin is the most famous over-the-counter pain reliever in the world, used for relief of headaches, fever control and as anticoagulant. Its properties have been studied for many decades and, thanks to this, it was found to be an excellent anti-inflammatory, neuroprotective and, above all, ally of those people who are at risk of suffering from cardiovascular disease. However, if we leave aside the many benefits that it has to improve health, there are some alternative uses that few people know. Among these we find incredible properties to beautify the skin of the face, being an excellent ally to combat acne, reduce stains and eliminate all those impurities that affect beauty. There are many who have not yet tried this medicine in their aesthetic treatments. For this reason, today we are going to share its secrets and a way to use it to enjoy its benefits. This is perhaps the most basic way to use this drug for skincare. It has an exfoliating action that facilitates the removal of dead cells and improves the texture of the skin. It is also good for removing excess fat and reducing the size of the dilated pores that cause annoying blackheads. Ingredients: 2 aspirins, 3 tablespoons lukewarm water 30 milliliters, 1 tablespoon oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of spelt flour. Preparation: soak the aspirin in the water to soften it and then crush it until a paste is obtained. Mix with remaining ingredients. Methods of application: thoroughly cleanse the entire face before extending the treatment and then be sure to apply it with gentle circular massages. Leave the mask on the face for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse. Repeat the treatment twice a week if you have normal or oily skin, and once if it is dry type.